What is going on, my fine people? Fine Line 1721 checking back in, here to give you guys another quick review. Today we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming women exclusive that is slated for release September 23rd. This shoe does come up to a size 12 in women, which is the equivalent to a 10.5 in men. So if you're interested in this pair for yourself or for your lady, you can head over to the website. This release is shipping out now ahead of the release date. Now, getting right into the box, as you can see, we have the Retro 1 OG Classic box, which is basically inverted from the all black with the red branding to all red with the black branding. Taking a look at the label, Women's Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Color description is white border blue. Size 12 in women, which is 10.5 in men, we're going to be taking a look at. Go ahead, flip this box lid up. Got some red paper with like a gold chain theme going throughout. White paper. Now let's get right into this shoe. Now that we have these out of the box, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Air Jordan Retro 1 High OG Denim. Now these do come with some added accessories, extra pair of red laces with the Jordan branding sitting on the top. Now taking a look at the right shoe, it comes with a denim hang tag with the red Nike Air branding. Now that we have the accessories out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the further details when it comes to this Air Jordan Retro 1. Taking a look at that top down view, all white sock liner, red insole with the gold Nike Air branding, all denim tongue, white tab with the UNC color Nike Air branding on the top. They come from the factory with the all white laces and this gold Jordan emblem right here on the bottom. All white leather toe box, nice little material here. Taking a look at the lateral side of the shoe, got the denim swoosh sitting on top of the tumbled leather white mid panel. Going around to kind of like the back of the shoe, we got the all white Air Jordan 1 wing logo sitting on top of a strip of denim. The ankle collar right here is slightly tumbled as well. Nice little material there. All white midsole with the light kind of North Carolina blue outsole. Got a jean material throughout the heels, wrapping all the way around to the medial side, which is the exact same way as the lateral, where we have hits of tumbled white leather and denim throughout. So that about wraps it up for this quick look at the Air Jordan Retro 1 High OG Denim. Very clean colorway in my opinion. I do like the hits of the tumbled white leather with the denim, which can be distressed, bleached, or however you want to freak these out. They are really highly customizable. If you are a fan of these joints and you want to pick them up early, you can do so on fineline1721.com. They are shipping out now. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. Both handles are the same, fineline1721. And into the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.